Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on switching the primary mouse button on Windows 11. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. To switch the primary mouse button to right-click, follow these steps. From the Windows 11 desktop, go to the search bar at the bottom. Search for Settings and then open them. In Settings, select Bluetooth and Devices from the left sidebar. In Bluetooth and Devices, select Mouse. The first setting here is for the primary mouse button. You can click where it says left or right and change it. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Windows 11 tips and tricks.